Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Apify to Claude AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Claude AI and click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then open Settings and then go to the Connectors section. Next, go ahead, click on Customize to open your connectors list. Here, go to Search Bar and look for Apify. If you don't find it, click on Browse Connectors and search for Apify. Select it from the list. To use this connector, you'll need the Claude desktop app installed. If you haven't installed it yet, download the desktop version from Claude AI, install it, and sign into your Claude account. After signing into the desktop app, go to your profile at the bottom and then return to Settings. Here, open Connectors again, click on Customize, and then search for Browse. Click Browse Connectors and search for Apify one more time. Now click Install. Claude will ask you to sign into your Apify account and grant access permissions. After that, enter your Apify API token to complete authentication and finish the setup. If you run into issues, make sure you are using the Claude desktop app because this feature may not work properly in the browser version. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Apify to Claude AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.